story time to go. So I hope you had fun last week making our never melting ice cream cones. And today we are going to be reading books and singing songs and making crafts about outer space. So here is what we're going to make today. We are going to make a mobile which hangs from your ceiling, and it has all the different planets on it. So if you come to the library, come pick up your space story time to go kit, and we can make it all together at your house. Now, are you ready? Are we missing somebody? Who are we missing? Otis. Yes. So let's go ahead. Do you remember how to wake up Otis? We have to say 1, 2, 3. Wake up Otis. Think we can do it? Yes. Let's do it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wake up Otis. Wake up, Otis. Otis. No. Oh, yeah. I'm here. I'm ready to read some stories. Otis? Yeah. We're not reading stories. We're not. No, don't you remember? What? That instead of reading stories for a story time to go videos, we make a craft. Oh, yeah. I want to make a craft. What are we making? What is this? We are making mobiles. What's a mobile? That's something that hangs from your ceiling. Oh, yeah. Like a monkey? No, we're not making monkeys today. Well, what are we making? A mobile of the solar system. Solar system, I like that. What is that? Otis, that's outer space. That's where we have the Milky Way, and we have Mars, and we have all the planets. Oh, yeah. I like to eat Milky Ways and Mars. No, Otis, that's not that kind of solar system. It's not. No, it's the planets. Oh, I know. You mean like Earth and Mercury. Yeah, just like that, Otis. Oh, yeah. And I have a favorite planet. You do? Yeah. What's your favorite planet? Uranus. Okay, Otis. Well, are you ready to actually work on making our planet mobile? Yeah. So you're gonna stay awake. I promise. Really? Yeah, of course. I always do. Do you think that Otis is gonna stay awake? Yeah. I will. Because I really want to work on this planet thing, and then afterwards you can give me a Milky Way. No, Otis. We're not getting Milky Ways. Oh, okay. I thought I would try. All right, here we go. Ready? Yeah. And here we go. Here we are with our mobile. So here's what's going to come inside your kit for today. You are going to get the planets. Now, do you know how many planets there are? Let's see. We have the sun, and then we can count our planets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 planets. So you're going to need to do a lot of coloring because we have one side and 2 sides. Yes, for 8 planets plus the sun. So you're going to have your sheet to color. You're also going to get some crayons. You're going to get some string. And you are going to get, these are your tools, a pokey stick and a paper clip. We'll remember those. Now, things that you might need at your house that won't come in your kit are going to be scissors, hole punch, and optional, maybe if you can, tape and stapler. But these you don't have to have. So, and the most important part, Miss Janelle almost forgot, 2 paper plates. So the very first thing you're going to need to do is color. And you're going to color like crazy. So you're going to get your crayons here. And here's this one. I'm going to set this one over to the side. And color. Wait a minute, but I have 2 paper plates. So I'm going to need to color this one also. All right, I have my 2 paper plates colored. Now, we're gonna need to color our planets. If you would like, you can color according to what the real planets are, but if you want to use your imagination and color whatever you want, that is perfectly fine. So Miss Janelle's gonna make a red sun. All right, now Miss Janelle's just gonna cheat. She's not gonna color the backside, but when you do it, you're gonna have to color both sides. Now we're gonna cut out all of our planets. The sun. Do you know that the sun is not a planet? It is a ball of gas in the middle of our solar system that gives all of us heat. Oh, I almost forgot the very last one, Uranus. We can't leave out Uranus. Otis would be very upset with us. We are going to hole punch our planets. So now we have all of the holes, and we're going to use our strings to go through and make our planets dangle. Oh yes, very important. So you're going to need to do this with each planet. Take a string and tie it on. Now, here comes the tricky part. You're going to take one of your paper plates, you're gonna take your pokey stick. Be very careful with this. If you think you might poke yourself or your neighbor, you should ask your mom or dad for help, because I don't want anybody getting hurt. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna use our stick, and on one of the pages, we're gonna poke a hole in one of the paper plates, poke a hole in the middle. Just that, only one. That's gonna be our top plate. Now our bottom plate, do you remember how many planets we have? We have 8 planets plus the sun. So we are going to need 8 plus 1 is 9 holes. So you're going to need 1 in the middle, because that's where the sun goes. And then you're going to need 8 holes all around. So I have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and let's do one really close. Oh, no, 8, that's it. There we go. 8 holes. Again, this is a little bit difficult, so if you need some help using your stick, be sure to ask, all right? Now the next part is, you remember that there was a paper clip? You're going to take your paper clip and stretch it out so it looks like a fishing hook. Then you're gonna make it like it's a needle so you can do sewing. Just put your string in the hook, and then you're gonna take it and put it in the middle, because this is the sun, and thread it through just like it's a needle. And then you can tie a knot. Sometimes sometimes you can make several knots. And this is where, if you would like, if it makes it easier, you can add a piece of tape here in the middle. Just like that. Now, you're gonna continue this step with all the other planets. And once you have all of the planets dangling, just like this one, then you're gonna take your top. Uh-oh, but we need a string at the top. Oh, here is a super long one. A super long one is good for the top. We're gonna thread it through our little needle and poke it through like this. And then we're gonna do just like we did before and tie a knot. And if you want to make it extra secure, you can put your tape on the inside, just like that. Then you have it like this, and then you can tie another loop just to make sure that you can hang it somewhere. And you're gonna put the two pieces together. Now, I recommend using a stapler, but if you don't have a stapler, you can use tape. And if you don't have tape, you can even use glue, but that might take a while to dry. So I prefer a stapler. And ta-da! Now, this one is missing some planets, but I know that when you make yours, you're not gonna be missing the planets. Yours is gonna look more like this. All right, so what do you think? Should we wake up Otis and show him what we made today? Yeah, let's do it. 1, 2, 3. Wake up, Otis. Otis, wake up. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I'm here. Yeah, I'm ready to make the craft. Otis, yeah, we already made the craft. You did? Yeah. Oh, where is it? I don't see it. It's right there. Oh, yeah. Did you see? Do you like what I made? I worked really hard. Otis, you didn't make this. I did. You did? Yeah. I dreamed about it while I was asleep. Doesn't it look really good? Otis! Yeah. Look at this. You can see all of my planets. And now I'm going to eat them. Otis! That's not what we do with our craft. It's not? No, you can hang it up and you can show your parents and your friends about all the different planets you learned about while reading books today from the library about the solar system. Oh, yeah. That's what I'm gonna do. All right, so don't forget to join us next week. And next week we'll have another exciting craft. And next time, Otis, are you gonna stay awake? Yeah. I always stay awake. Ready and...